How to join the Forge Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, on the left side, simply scroll down. Here you'll find a plus sign, click on it. Then, click on Join a Server. Here, in invite link, type in the Forgers and click on Join Server. After you've clicked on Join Server, verify you're a human by clicking on I am human. After it's verified, you will be added to the Forge group. As you can see, this is how to join the Forge Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.